Hey everyone, Kim with your Fit Mix Wind Up workout. Listen, this is going to be rapid action. We're doing shoulder to shoulder, twist, chop, and twist crunch. And what you're going to notice is the shoulder you start with is the one you're going to do the chop and then the twist to. So it's going to be right, left, and then chop, twist, left, right, chop, twist, and vice versa. And basically, it is a standing core and it's going to work your twisting abs or your transverse abdominals. Now we're doing split skip or scissor skips, and these scissor skips are going to drop into a lunge, a controlled lunge. You could do all your reps on one leg, or you could alternate, or do your reps and then switch to the other leg to balance it out either way. Now, this is a fold out ductor skip. You could do it in place, and the whole design of this show is that when you're in place, you're going to just alternate folding out your arms open. And then if that is too easy, you need a little bit more challenge or dopamine, you're going to do lateral hops. And basically, this is just to give some more variety, which your body loves. Your body loves variety. It's candy for the body and a wonderful distraction from the stress, the increased heart rate, the pounding of your blood vessels as they're working hard. Throw in that fun, and we will make it a fit mix.